Hey everyone, and I'm back after a very long time with this vlog. But that is also because after a long time, today has finally been the second sunny day, yes, in a row. And it's been absolutely glorious. So I thought I should take you out to show you the lawn. Actually, the gardener had just been, and I just wanted to show you how I'm still continuing with the eggshells and the tea leaves, as you can see. And look at the money plant. I mean, despite the cold, it's thriving. So is the snake plant. The thing about the money plant is my friend, whenever he comes from France, he just loves looking at these huge, huge leaves of the money plants that have been growing on our palm trees. And the jasmine and our mango tree, this mango tree that has hardly borne any fruit since the gardener chopped it off from the middle, so now it will take time. These are actually what I wanted to show you. These are the roses that we are gathering, different colors, different varieties of roses. We're gathering them and we are basically getting them ready for Murree. So when we go to our Murree house, and we'll start with the gardening, so then we will plant all these roses over there. As you know, roses basically thrive in cold weather, so they'll thrive quite easily in Murree. So there are loads of them because our gardener keeps on, gathering them as it goes. And just thought I should show you a bit of the sun. And right now, this is like, the breeze that just started, so you can see the trees. It's amazing how, I mean, just look at it. It's lovely. I actually am enjoying the breeze as well. So, a sunny day with cool breeze, lovely. Hope you all enjoyed it, and I hope to be back soon with some more tiny vlogs. Bye bye.